Let's get started with this restoration. First, I'm going to drill out the posts using about a 5/16 bit. We're going to drill the posts out so then we can take the base off. Then I'm just going to take a screwdriver and lightly pry the base off. I want to be very careful because this base is plastic, unlike others that are cast, and it just pops right off. Now I'm going to drill and tap the posts so I can reassemble this later. I'm using a 256 tap right here for some 256 button head screws. Want to be careful tapping these. Those taps are easy to break. Now with the small button head screws, I'm just going to install them right now so I don't get any paint in there and I don't forget about them later.